Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. Here are the first 5 terms of a number sequence. Write down the next term of the sequence. First off, we have to find the difference between the first and the second term. 10 minus 4 is 6. We can see that 16 minus 10 is also 6. So that means the next term in the sequence has to be plus 6 plus 6. So 28 plus 6 is simply 34. Explain how you worked out your answer. We add 6. Work out the 13th term of this sequence. The formula for finding the nth term of a sequence is simply a plus n minus 1d. Now, what does this mean? A is the first term of the sequence, which is 4, and we add n, which is the term we're trying to find, so 13 minus 1 times d, which is the difference we found to be 6. We can simplify this to 4 plus 12 times 6. Now, if we put this into a calculator, we can find our answer. 4 plus 12 times 6 gives us 76. So what did we do here? So that means we started off with 4 and we simply added 6 13 times. So we can see here that we have 76. Explain why 467 cannot be a number in the following sequence. So why is that? First off, if I erase everything here, you can see that they're all even numbers. Every time you add an even number to an even number, you always get an even number. So you see here, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. No matter how far we go into the sequence, it'll never be a negative number. So 467 is a negative number. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.